Hi, welcome to Mathematics. In this video, we want to simplify square root of 27 plus square root of 32 divided by square root of 18. Solution. We have to express the following numbers as the product of two numbers in which one will have square root and the other will not have. Let's see. We have square root of 27 plus square root of 32 divided by square root of 18. We have to express the following numbers as the product of two numbers in which one will have square root and the other will not have. Let's see. 27 can be expressed as the product of 9 and 3. We have square root of 9 multiplied by 3. Then 32 can be expressed as the product of 16 and 2. We have square root of 16 times 2 divided by 18 can be expressed as the product of 9 and 2. We have square root of 9 times 2. So we have square root of 9 multiplied by square root of 3 plus square root of 16 times square root of 2 divided by square root of 9 multiplied by square root of 2. The square root of 9 is 3 multiplied by square root of 3 plus square root of 16 is 4 multiplied by square root of 2 divided by square root of 9 is 3 multiplied by square root of 2. 3 times square root of 3, we have 3 root 3 plus 4 times square root of 2, we have 4 root 2 divided by 3 times square root of 2, we have 3 root 2.